Sawadee krab.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Welcome back to the Miskawaan Health Group nutritional series on preparing healthy and nutritious food in your own kitchen, brought to you by the Miskawaan Health Group Retreat here in the island of Koh Samui in Thailand. I'm the CEO of Miskawaan Health Group, David Bohm. With me is the head chef of Miskawaan Luxury Beachfront Villas, our sister company right here on the island, Chef Nok. Sawadee krab, Chef Nok. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
I'm sure our viewers are all very happy to see you again and to find out what's going to be the wonderful food you're going to prepare for them today. So it looks very healthy. It looks like it's going to be vegetarian. So what do we have, Chef Nok?
Today we have mushroom and tofu satay, orange mushroom, tofu, coconut milk, curry powder, turmeric powder, Himalayan pink salt, stevia, canola oil, and bamboo skewer.
Wonderful. And of course, it's a dish which can be enjoyed by everyone, including vegetarians and vegans. So shall we start to prepare and see what we need to do to make this wonderful dish, Chef Nok? So mushrooms, of course, very natural and healthy vegetable, and tofu, of course, is made from soy and is a very commonly used substitute for meat protein. So while we cut up the mushrooms, we'll just mention that if you can possibly buy organic produce from your local market, it will be perhaps a much healthier experience. But if you cannot buy organic, then just get the best quality you can. And particularly for the processed products, take a look at those ingredients. The less ingredients there are, the better.
Tofu.
Now we're preparing the tofu. I imagine there are many different kinds of tofu, Chef Nok?
Yes, many different kinds in Thailand. We use the hard tofu.
And it comes pre-prepared like this, in those large blocks as you're cutting right now. So looking at the ingredients for the marinade, of course we see turmeric, which is very natural anti-inflammatory. In fact, at Miskawaan Health Group, we have a turmeric infusion. We call it curcumin, and this is something that is a really good anti-inflammatory. Try some curcumin either through tablets or through food, or even better by infusion. Right, so it looks like Chef Nok is ready.
And then we prepare the marinade.
So first of all, coconut milk.
Coconut milk, curry powder.
Curry powder, of course, is also full of antioxidants and many health benefits.
Turmeric powder.
Turmeric, which we just mentioned. Personally, I take curcumin tablets every day.
Salt.
Himalayan salt, I think, is that right? Sea salt.
Himalayan pink salt.
Very healthy. And then we have some coconut oil. Sorry,
Canola oil.
Canola oil.
We mix all the ingredients for marinade to mixing bowl until all the ingredients mix well together.
So that will take a few minutes of hand mixing.
Yes, of course. And then we add
So there go the mushrooms, and here comes the hard tofu. And Chef Nok, when we put the tofu and the mushrooms in the marinade, do we have to leave them in there for a period of time?
We have to leave them for 1 hour in
Okay.
refrigerator.
In the refrigerator, okay. Just 1 hour, that's not too bad. Okay. So Chef Nok is just making sure that the marinade is covering all the mushrooms, all the tofu. So when it goes in the refrigerator, all of the produce in the bowl will have the benefit of the marinade. So there we have it. Wow, that looks very different now that it's been in the refrigerator for 60 minutes. Chef Nock is making it look very easy, but when you're doing this at home, just be careful not to skewer your finger. Just to let you know, we're filming in Koh Samui. It's in May, so we just passed by the most warmest month of the year, which is April, of course, and May is still pretty warm. It's around 32 degrees today in Koh Samui, a day full of sunshine, which is normal for this island at this time of the year. Sunset's coming up in a few hours, and it's going to be another spectacular sunset. Time for a sunset happy hour. And there we have it. The skewers are ready. We'll see you shortly at the cooking station to prepare the peanut sauce. To prepare the peanut sauce, combine the red curry paste and coconut milk together. Then season with the light soy sauce, the stevia to make a sweet, spicy taste. Then add the chopped peanuts. Then bring it to the boil over a low heat, and once done, put aside to cool while we prepare the skewers. And now we put them in the pan and cook until done. So Chef Nock, we're back, and we just saw you make that wonderful peanut sauce. It looks like it's all ready to taste this wonderful creation. Let's go to the final step, Chef Nock.
We will have a peanut sauce.
Once again, we, as humans, a lot of the taste that we experience from food is through the visual, to see how the food is presented, which is why it's very important in Thai cooking to present the food in a very particular way. So here we are with the satays themselves being put into the satay bowl, the mushrooms and the tofu. Once again, the presentation is beautiful. So, Chef Nock, I guess it's time for the taste test.
Of course.
So, I might try some mushroom first.
Mushroom.
Yes. Dipping it in this wonderful peanut sauce. Sawadee Cup, Chef Nock, that is incredible. You've got the crunchy texture of the mushrooms, the marinade on the mushrooms and the satay, the peanut sauce as well. It's just, you can taste the turmeric, you can taste the curry, you can taste the peanuts, all the ingredients in the peanut sauce just coming together to have a taste sensation on your tongue. So let's now try some of the tofu. Again, with the magnificent peanut sauce, you just saw it being freshly prepared, so it hasn't been here on the table for more than a couple of minutes. Again, the same sensational taste of all the combination of the ingredients, the turmeric, the curry, everything you can taste. At the same time, the peanut taste, all the ingredients in the peanut sauce, and the texture of the tofu and the mushroom actually just sets off the sauces so well. And this is such a healthy dish, and this, as I mentioned, there's so many antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It's going to keep you very, very healthy. So thank you so much, Chef Nock. Thank you also for our audience at home, and we'll look forward to seeing you again on the next Miskawaan Health Group Retreat nutritional video. ขอบคุณครับ